Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am drawing a beautiful girl of backside. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to draw with me. Drawing is a beautiful art form that can capture the world around us in a unique and expressive way. It's a way of communicating ideas and emotions without words, and it can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. There is something magical about the way a simple pencil or a piece of charcoal can transform a black piece of paper into a whole new world. With just a few strokes, you can create a delicate flowers, powerful ideas. Drawing the backside of a girl is about capturing the graceful curves and lines of her back. It involves creating a gentle slope from the shoulders down to the waist, highlighting the natural contours of the spine. Paying attention to details like the curve of the lower back and the way the hair falls can add a touch of elegance to the illustration. Using simple strokes and soft shading, the artist can bring out the beauty of girl back, creating a delicate and charming representation. Thank you so much you watching my video. If you like my video, then like and share it. Thank you.